Rocket Power is a TV show that was on Nickelodeon in the late 90s, early 2000s.
It was definitely my favorite show, and I fell in love with it. Today we just came up with the best things I feel like that represent the show for a hat. So we really wanted to touch all bases with the show, all the characters, and then just other different little things that if you were a fan of the show you would get.
It'll be cool to see everything just come to life because we're just sitting here joking around about all the stuff to put on it, and then to see it in full form would be cool.